Hey, how are you? Today is the dawn of code day 8. I already solved the problem, and today I want to just redo my solution. In the meanwhile, I will explain my solution. Might be better than just recording. So the problem will give you a sequence of numbers and asking you to construct a tree. The two problems are all the tree related. We don't have to construct the tree, but in my solution, I built the tree myself and answer the questions by working the tree. I define the tree data structure by children and metadata. For example, if the load is A, the metadata is come from this part. For load C, it's come from this part. Except the metadata, there are children. A have children B and C. I'm going to create a function called it build tree, and build tree will returns me the root node, and I'm going to have the numbers. Create the root node, say node. The children is just empty for now, and the metadata the same. I'm going to return this root, return the pointer. Now we have the root. I'm going to create another function called build tree node, and it also takes nums and pointer, which tells which point should start construction. For the root node, the pointer should be 2. Just put 2 here. And the third parameter is the count. How many children the root node has. And it comes from, let me say, node count. It comes from root. It comes from the second number, the first number actually, sorry, and put the root count here. The last thing is the root, so I can insert the children into the node, and this is all I need. So build tree node, it takes the nums, the pointer, the node count, and the parent. This is a int, and parent is a pointer up to the node, and it also returns a pointer, so that I can put the metadata into the root node. So I can say get metadata and nums, it is a int, and the pointer and meta length, they're both int. The result is a slice of int for a meta length loop. I'm just going to put stuff into this result, nums pointer plus I, and return the rest. Right. After I have the pointer, the root metadata should be get metadata from nums and pointer and the meta length, which is the second number. Okay, build tree node. As long as the node count is bigger than 0, we can build the tree node. The new node, we can just copy this part, parents.children, gonna have a new child, append new node. We're going to return this point at the end, so I'm gonna modify the pointer to maintain the correct direction. So for example, if I finish the loop for creating the B node, the pointer should point to this index. And pointer equals to build tree node. I'm assuming it will help. You can create a new node. For example, C can create a new node D. Pointer is pointer plus 2, same as here, because there is one for the count of child node and one for the count of metadata. Plus 2, node count is from nums pointer. That is correct. So I'm also going to save the meta length here because the pointer gonna be changed. Pointer plus 1. And the parent now become the new node. And new node can also have metadata. Dot metadata equals to get metadata nums and pointer and meta length. Okay, this part is incorrect. New node. Too many arguments. Nums pointer, node count. Which part is wrong? Oh, right. We should use between node here. Okay. As long as we have the tree, we can walk the tree. Walk tree. The first problem is about get the sum of metadata, so we can call this function to get sum, and it starts from the root node. And it's gonna return an int, so the sum initially equals to 0. For each value of root.metadata, we can plus the value, and for each value of the root.children, we can also walk the tree again. At the end, we return the sum. I forgot the range. Okay, now let's test. Should I get the numbers from the get input, and the roots come from build tree nums, and sum come from work tree to get sum. And the last print out the sum. I have the test case here, which is the same as this one. So let me say go run solution and put this thing here. Okay. Work the tree. All right. Sorry. Index out of range. Okay, I've got plus the pointer at the end, so it should pass this one. Do it again. Index out of range again. Let's see. Pointer plus 1 is the maintenance is correct. And children. Right. Oh, I should. The node count should decrease, which I forgot to do that. Okay, let's try again. 138, which is what we want. And we can get the puzzle input, put it to this case, which is the same. And I'm going to put the case here. We get this number, and it's the same as my previous answer, so this is the correct value. The second problem is almost the same, but we have a different method to work the tree to get value. And if the root dot children, if the root has no children, then the root's value is defined by the root's metadata alone. And we're going to return the sum. If the root has children, then we should work the metadata if the v is not 0 and v is smaller or equal to the root dot children, then we can say just work tree to get value. And the node is -1 because the index is 1 index, not 0 indexed. Let's try it with a simple input. Oh, I didn't put stop here, so we get nums from the get input. We get the root from build tree nums, and we get value from work tree to get value to root, and we print out the value 66. And if we run the bigger case, which is this value, the same. So this is the day 8. Tomorrow, maybe I'm gonna try just writing a blog instead of recording a video. I think blog is better for some case, video is better for some case. Anyway, looking forward to tomorrow. See you.